Alright, it's engine night again, and Mike is back, and we're going to try and get this thing running tonight, right, Mike?
That's right.
Get this out of here so we can continue on, and we got too many things going on.
That's right, too many projects going on right now.
He's checking this coil out. I got him another. The one that belongs to this was shot, so I just grabbed this one and see if it's any good. I hope it is.
I hope so too, but something fishy going on here. Don't know.
Let me get another one. I brought two of them in.
Okay, yeah, I should have no continuity here.
Okay, that's good.
Alright, no continuity there. Make sure I'm in some clean material here. Yeah. And we're in the mega ohm range. I should have a couple thousand here, like 4 or 5,000 ohms here, and I got 7/10 of a mega ohm, so that's no good.
That's not a good sign.
No, let's try another one and just compare.
All right, I found like another coil here. How's it look, buddy?
It looks ugly.
It does. It looks funky.
I just scraped some of the corrosion off here so I can get a good connection.
Try to get the. We got so much glare in this garage.
I don't know if you can. That better? No.
Yeah. Just depends on which angle I look at it.
Okay. So we're just measuring the secondary winding here. 3.6K. That's pretty good. 3.7K. I said between 4 and 5, right? So that's good.
That's right there. 4.
It's funny. It's an ugly looking coil, but it.
Yeah. Don't go by looks.
Let me double check this one here. This is the one that's in the mega ohm range. So let me see. Scrape off some clean material there. Double check this one. Yeah, I think it might be time to invest in a new set of probes for you here as well. But what do we got there? Let's say 16 ohms. Something weird's going on here. Let me see if I can.
Don't make me get the good meter out.
Yeah, you might. There we go. 1.9. Let's try that. Okay, let's try the secondary. No, this one's pretty much open circuit.
Oh well.
So that's a bad one right there.
How about that? We'll sell it.
Yeah.
I'll take the jack now and sell it. Alright, well, let me take this one off of this here and try and clean up a little bit for you.
Alright, sounds good.
Alright, Mike, I'm going to take this wire in there and shorten a little bit until the end.
Yeah, I don't know why it's so long. It's strange.
I know.
Strangely long. It's probably not original.
Probably. I hate to cut it because then it'll be too short. I'll have to check the other one.
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
I guess you can mount that and everything, right? And
yeah, well, this is good.
Put the points back on.
Yeah, exactly. Then I can mount this, run the wire through, put the points on and adjust them, and then when you're done with that, we should have
This
spark.
should be good to go. Okay.
Yep, that's the plan.
It's like Mike is adjusting the air gap there.
Should be good. We should be ready for a little quick rope test. Where's our rope at? Oh, there it is.
It's right there.
Let's see if we have any. Oh no.
See if we get spark.
Watch out, Bill.
Watch your face. Watch your face.
Oh boy.
Oh, I seen that away from back here.
That was pretty good.
I just seen that through the little screen. Wow.
That's good.
That's good. Alright, Mike just put the flywheel on and the starter pulley. You know what's odd about that is it's a reverse thread, but when you try and start it and everything, you're lucky it doesn't
Yeah, absolutely.
unscrew.
It'll unwind on you.
That's crazy, Mike.
So.
Oh well.
Yeah, I guess you don't really notice it on when they have a regular starter.
Yeah, a little cup.
Because the cup itself usually locks into a notch on the flywheel.
Right, exactly. The keyway.
Yeah, this is an odd engine, and we were just talking about it. This engine probably cost twice what a standard Model N would, with all the extra gearing and the casting they had to make here.
Yep.
I don't know if this is a Briggs & Stratton part either. This here
And
might
that
have been
big pulley,
provided
yeah.
by the equipment manufacturer that whoever made this thing. They wanted a little V-belt pulley on here, so but the base is different. You know, just the gears themselves, all the extra gearing is where the expense is going to come in. All that machining cost.
Yep.
So.
Well, maybe that's why it's so hacked up. They just didn't want to let it go.
Yeah, could be. So we're going to. Looks like we're missing some governor parts here.
Oh no, it didn't have a governor. It was missing parts.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do?
Well, either not put it on, or I got spares. You want to put a spare on? I don't have the linkage.
No. Well, let's see what we have, because this linkage is going to be different than like your standard 6S or something like that, or 5S.
Oh
well. We'll see what we can do here.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to put a governor on it.
Oh yeah, look at that! I didn't even realize the tab is broken off too.
Oh well. Just don't over rev it, buddy.
Yeah. You know, watch out.
All right, it's been about a week now, maybe even 2, and yeah, we had to stop it because the carburetor. I thought the carburetor was clean and ready to go, but it wasn't. It was all gummed up.
It was.
So it actually had tar in it or something. So I didn't rebuild it, but I did clean it all out.
Yeah, it should be all right. Well enough for this thing.
Yeah, I think so.
So.
All the jets are clean and everything. So I didn't adjust anything. I just put it all back together.
Okay, we can do that. We gotta tighten it up and put a fuel line on there. This isn't the original carburetor for this engine, and it's not correct. It will bolt on and it'll run the engine, but the governor linkage is not going to be able to be connected. So we'll just have to set it to a constant speed.
All right.
So we can
There's
do
no
that.
problem. Yeah, whatever we do to this engine is better than it was, Mike.
I know. All right.
So I'll let you put that carburetor on. I think we're only going to put a temporary tank on there to get it running.
Right.
Just to see it run, and then I still have to find straps for this. We got a full house tonight. It's engine night, and there's Blind John back here. Hey, buddy. He looks over there. He's not on the phone. No research. And what we got over here? There we go. I don't know how many comments I get about him doing his research on that phone. But anyway. Alright. We'll get back to you once we find a gas tank for this thing. Alright, I think we're all ready. We just put the tank on temporarily up here. This tank ain't working. We're using this gravity feed. And we're going to see if it works. We got the air hose hooked up here to the vent. Alright, turn it because it's raining outside. So turn it on, buddy, and we'll see what happens.
Alright, buddy.
That thing's pretty loud. Alright, Mike. My money's on you, buddy.
Alright, try to start right there.
Pretty good, man. Mike's got to tune it in. Mike's got to hone it in.
Hey, it seems to be running pretty well.
It is. Here's the normal speed there. What is that, about the 2,500 RPM, Mike?
Well, I think it's rated around that, but it's probably only running at maybe 1,100 right now.
1,100, and over here is
160.
yeah, that's all right.
Runs pretty well for let's start.
Yeah, considering what it was. Chugging right along.
Yeah. A little bit rich yet. So yeah, the exhaust is nice and clean.
Yeah, look at that.
A new ring you bought seems to be bedded right in.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Huh. I like it, buddy.
Yeah, it's a neat engine.
Alright, shut it down. we didn't put a kill switch on it.
Yeah, it's right here.
Alright. We'll leave that fan on for a little bit. Yeah, I'm surprised how good that runs.
I know, considering.
Consider what it was. Alright, go ahead, shut the fan off, buddy. Well, there you go. Another one done. NR6. 6-to-1 reduction. Came out pretty good, buddy. I like that gas tank. It's funny how that gas tank fits there, you know, with the air cleaner. I don't think that air cleaner belongs there. I think it takes a newer one.
The more modern, the squared off one.
Yeah, that one there is an acorn, but I call it a success. So, what do you say? On to the next one?
That's right.
Alright, enough of this.
Enough of this. Alright, enough of this.
Alright, say goodbye, John.
See ya.
Alright, see you guys later.